If CapCut keeps failing when you try to export, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix CapCut export errors, step by step. Whether you're seeing a generic export failure, or one of the common error codes like 4114, 10004, 10006, -1, or 4155, these fixes can help you get back to exporting your videos successfully. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most common fix, which is disabling hardware encoding. Open CapCut and look for the menu button in the top left corner, the one with the 3 lines. Click it, then go to Settings and choose Performance. In the Performance settings, find the option that says Speed up hardware encoding and uncheck it. After that, click Save. Now go back and try exporting your video again. This fix helps when CapCut is struggling with your graphics card or your system is having trouble processing the export with hardware acceleration turned on. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is check whether you're dealing with a specific error code. If you see error 4114 or 10004, that usually means there may be a corrupted clip somewhere in the timeline. The best way to find it is to export your video in smaller sections. Break the project into parts, test each section one by one, and when the export fails, you'll know the problem is somewhere in that section. Once you find the bad clip, replace it with a fresh copy and try exporting again. If you get error 10006, that usually points to a media linking issue. In other words, one or more of your imported files may not be properly connected to the project anymore. Check all of your media, make sure the files still exist in the original location, and verify that CapCut can still access them. If anything is missing or offline, relink the media files before exporting. Now if you're seeing error -1 or 4155, that often relates to low system memory or virtual memory issues. In that case, you'll want to increase your device's virtual memory, also known as the page file. This gives your system more room to handle the export process, especially on heavier projects with lots of effects, layers, or high-resolution footage. After changing that setting, restart your computer and try the export again. A lot of CapCut export problems come down to one of these simple causes, so go through the fixes in order and test after each one. Start by turning off hardware encoding, then check the error code, then narrow down corrupted clips or linked media issues, and finally adjust virtual memory if needed. In many cases, one of these steps is enough to get CapCut exporting normally again. If this video helped you fix your CapCut export error, please like the video and subscribe to the channel because I make simple tutorials and fixes like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and I hope your next export goes through without any problems.